Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were going to tackle a common issue that many PS5 Slim users face, the dreaded startup screen freeze. If you found yourself starting at the startup screen for longer that you should, don't worry, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in. So the first let's understand why your PS5 Slim might be stuck on the startup screen. This can happen due to various reasons such as system software glitch, hardware issue, or even corrupted data. So, the first troubleshooting steps is to do you can power cycle your PS5 Slim. So, turn off the console using the power button on the console itself and wait for the console to fully shut down, and then unplug the cord from the console and then wait for 10 minutes. After that, plug the power cord back into the console and press the power button to turn on the console. Solution 2. Rebuild database. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beep and connect a control to the console using a USB cable. And press the PS button on the controller to go to the safe mode menu. And then select the clear cache and rebuild database. And then select the rebuild database option and wait for the process to complete. Solution 3. Update system software. So press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps and connect a controller to the console using a USB cable. And then press the PS button on the controller to enter the safe mode menu. In the safe mode menu, select update system software and then choose update using internet to download and install the latest firmware update. Solution 4. Press change output resolution. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beep and connect your controller to the console using USB cable. On the controller, press the PS button to enter the safe mode menu and then select change video output from the menu. And then choose change resolution and select a lower resolution option. Confirm the change by selecting OK in the prompt that appears. Solution 5. Contact PS5 support. So if none of the above steps work and you are still facing the issue, so feel free to connect with the PS5 customer support. You can simply provide them the all the steps that you have already taken and your issue. After that, wait for some times that your issue resolved. And then the customer support assistant provide you the some simple steps, some troubleshooting steps that can help you to resolve this issue. So if the so and there you have it by few simple steps to help you fix your PS5 Slim when it's stuck on the startup screen. Remember, if these solutions do not work, it might be time to contact Sony support for the further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.